going. This could be the last time we cycle from the hostel to Ruby.
We could be driving back here with the bikes on the van.
What do you reckon? Chance of success?
Oh no.
Here we go. One last push.
2 months today. Let's do this.
Didn't quite get everything done today. We've been so busy trying to get a bit sorted. We haven't even had time to record anything, but she's pretty close, right?
We literally need to put oil in it.
Oil, gearbox oil,
Oil.
charge to start the battery.
But we, instead of trying to panic rush it through in the last, we've only got 10 minutes to spare. We figured we'll
Wait until the morning.
no point rushing it for the sake of like a few hours, especially when you put so many systems back together. Like, it's good to think about it.
Yeah, you've got like coolant pipes that need pinching up and stuff, so it's not a quick thing if you want to do it properly.
And it lets the coolant sit overnight, which is way better.
Yeah.
But tomorrow,
For us, it's going to be like 13 hours. For you, it's going to be like 10 minutes. You get it easy.
tomorrow's the day. It's coming down.
Today's the day.
Today's the day. Are you ready?
I don't know how to answer that question. What's ready?
Neutral? Probably?
I hope so.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I hate this. This is like my worst part.
If she doesn't start.
Have you put the ignition on? I can't hear the fuel pump.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, what a way to start your 35th birthday. First day back in Ruby on a lovely campground with running water behind us. It's amazing to be back after everything we've been through. Happy, truly happy. Nothing better than a little hike in a, I don't know, damp, drizzly day.
It's raining.
I'm getting like a longing nostalgia feeling for back home.
It's like Scotland, but warmer.
Walking into a valley surrounded by farmlands. Oh, it's perfect after the scorching heat of David.
Yeah, I don't even mind that it's raining.
That's quite refreshing.
It's nice to be outside.
So finishing my birthday in awesome style, surrounded by loads of combis. It's not just one combi. Second combi here.